You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video right now. You see this little move to the downside and market is trading at 20.8k approximately, and on the 4-hour chart BTC I said market is going to retrace and you should not take a buy position at this very area, and right now you see market retracing. And also on ETH I talk about market retracing and exact same thing. So today, what are we expecting in the market? What am I paying attention to? As you see, the markets tend to move to the upside a little bit on ETH, and BTC is still heading downward. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Also help and subscribe to our forex channel. This is our new forex channel right here, and I appreciate your effort to make this channel grow. And right here on the BTC USDT 1-day chart, right at this point I was talking about market moving up, and you know, when market is moving up, momentum to which the market is moving to the upside is very important. And right now we are seeing a reduction in momentum, and that is what will make me to question the market at this very area. So what I am paying attention to right now is this very candle on the 1-day chart. If I see this candle close bearish significantly today and tomorrow, that means I am going to be looking at the market dropping back down. By tomorrow, if this market close bearish, I am going to be looking for short opportunity to the downside on the 1-day chart right at this area. That means that target of 23k will no longer be reached at this very area, and that will be a very new sentiment about the market. So pay attention to this very candle forming right now. If it closes significantly bearish, and that also means markets have capacity of actually, you know, moving back to the downside again. Maybe this may be the last move to the downside before the next bull market. And then right here on the 4-hour chart, I talk about you not taking a buy position here, and the market is going to retrace. Exact thing right here. And right now what I'm paying attention to is for the market to go back down a little bit. That means from this area where the market is right now at 2800 level, approximately at this area, to this area of 2500. This is where I'm expecting this retracement to end for today, and then from here we're going to see the market go back up a little bit. Now this movement to the upside is not necessarily for market hitting this very high, okay, or market, you know, making a new high. I'm not expecting that. What I'm expecting is the market moving a little bit to the upside and then continuation to the downside. So what you should be paying attention to right now on the immediate short term is the market retracing within this level of 2800 where the market is right now to 2500 to the upside in form of a little retracement, okay, before continuation. Now what we call this is a failed swing of this very impulse. Normally market impulse retrace, then another impulse again to the upside, but that is not what I am expecting. I'm expecting the market to just retrace a little bit before the next continuation to the downside. So pay attention to market coming back down a little bit before this retracement on BTC 4-hour chart. And then on ETH, if you look at it right here, market create a new high, but market was moving sluggishly at this area to the upside, which also means that there is a reduction in momentum at this very point. And what I am expecting is the market to retrace from this area of 1588 to this area of 1540 at this very point. So I'm expecting this retracement to come in at this very area, and exact same thing I'm expecting on BTC is on ETH. This retracement within this area should go up a little bit, not creating a new high above this very high right here, but a retracement, okay, before continuation to the downside. Now don't pay attention to the continuation to the downside right now. The main thing is the retracement that is going to come in right here, which is supposed to be an impulse, because if market impulse right here, create a new high, retrace impulse right here, create another new high, then the next one supposed to be impulse to create another new high again. But that is not what I am expecting right now. What I am paying attention to is a little retracement from this area to the upside before the market will continue back to the downside. So the main thing right now on the immediate short term is retracement happening within this area of 1588 and this area of 1540 at this very point. Okay, this very area that I circle right here is where retracement should happen to the upside. Now at the end of this retracement, it will be a very nice time to take a short position to the downside, and I'm going to give that very signal maybe in my next video when this is very set for entry. So this is what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart. ETH guys, what do you think about the market on BTC 4-hour chart? Do you think this market is going to from here move to the upside, or we are going to see the market just retrace a little bit like I am expecting, retrace a little bit to the upside, then move back down? Comment below right now in the comment section of this very video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and get those bonuses right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.